I finally bought a vise, which is very handy. And of course I tested the vise because I had still two of these brake pistons stuck in these calipers. These are from the Saab, but actually they are Porsche brakes. But here's the result. And I did some weight reduction to the Volvo. As you can see, the whole back floor is gone. It was very heavy. The French visit it's on next weekend, and we needed a tent. So we had to borrow one. Thank you, Jakke, for borrowing the tent for us. And of course we had to do some testing with the new equipment. I am now ordering the repair kit for Volvo. I'm just measuring the brake pistons that I get the right parts, because there's quite many choices to pick. And as you can you have seen that I sometimes I order the wrong parts, but this time I try to get the right parts right away. Heka will order the parts for the Saab brakes, so that's okay, and now I will get the new parts for the Volvo, so the parts should be now okay. Now I just have to start packing for the event. The next video will probably come out on Sunday or latest on Monday. It depends on the time schedule. Please give me thumbs up, thumbs down and some comments. Thanks for watching and see you soon.